friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. This is day 39 and I have created this diagonal belly band pocket in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis. Please be sure to check out her channel and check out my description box for her booklet with all the instructions on how to create these fun pockets. Today you will need a journal page, a paper strip, a small envelope, glue or double stick tape, scissors, or a trimmer. This backing paper is going to act as my journal page, and this strip, which actually was a cutoff from a project that I'm working on, this is going to go on the page diagonally. Now already you can see that we have a tuck spot here, which is fantastic. But we're going to get a little more creative. All right, my friends, so this is already looking pretty cute, but now we're going to take this envelope and we're going to pop it right here in the center. So in order to do that without gluing it to the page, I need to be really careful, right? So I'm going to set it here. And I'm thinking, this is what I'll do. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put my bone folder here. And now I know that this is the only part of that band that I can put glue on. And just so that that glue does not move into the wrong places, I'm going to spread it out. There we go. Now I'm going to get these out of my way and I'm going to glue this envelope in place. And I just so happen to have a scrap piece of this pretty paper that we've been working with today. If I take it and I tuck it under here and I close this like this, then I can see that it's centered, and I can go ahead and draw the line of where I want it to be cut. There. All right, let's do that one first. All right, that worked like a charm. It fits perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and get some glue on there and glue that down. And now I'm going to do the same for the rest of the envelope. Okay, my friends, so here's the envelope and it opens like that so you can stuff a note in here. Let's do that. I have this, let's see if it'll fit. This was on my desk. This was very recently given to me by my friend, Becky. And I'm so thankful for her wonderful Happy Mail. I am going to round the corners. Let's go ahead and see if this fits in here. Very nicely. Love it. And then don't forget we have another pocket underneath the belly band. I have this that I just cut to size. Let's see if it fits. Look, it slides in there just perfect. So this is fantastic. My friends, this is our diagonal belly band pocket. So we have our pocket up here underneath the belly band, and then when we open up our envelope, we have another pocket. Isn't that fun? Please be sure to check out Cindy's channel today, see what she has come up with, and thanks for watching. See you soon.